to create graphics in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very interesting. I'll be teaching you how to create vector designs graphics in Figma. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account on your PC, and once you've done that, this is a page that will be displayed on your screen. At the top left corner of the screen, you see the main menu. After it, you see the move tools icon. You see the region tools icon. You also see the shapes icon. You see the creation tools icon. Then after creation tools icon, you see the text icon too. You see the resources icon. You also see the add tools icon. You see the add comments icon, and so on. At the top right corner of your screen, you see the share icon. You can use the share icon. You can click on the share icon to share your design with your friends or with your clients. You see the prototype view icon just at the top right corner. Also, you see the missing font icon too. So at the right side of the screen, you see the design, you see the page, you see local variables, you see local styles, you see export. So you can simply just explore the page to see what Figma is really all about. Figma is basically a platform where you make your designs, where you create creative designs. So you go back to the top left corner of your screen where you have the tools design. You click on it and a drop down will be displayed, showing you several shapes that we have. We have the rectangle, we have the line, we have the arrow, we have the polygon, we have the stars, and so on. Let's click on the rectangle. So once you click on the rectangle, you drag your cursor at the center page where you have the empty space. You drag it and you create your rectangle. Once you created your rectangle, just make it as wide, just make it suit the particular shape that you want. If you want it big, you drag it to be big. If you want it small, you drag it to be small. Now, once you're done with that, at the lower part, at the right side rather of your screen, you scroll down the page of the right side to see where you have the option add vector graphics or create vector graphics. Once you've seen it, you click on the screen, you click on the option, and once you click on it, you've automatically created vector graphics in design. So this is simply how to do it. Okay, just make sure you see the option at the right side of your screen. If you don't see the option at the right side of your screen, you also can go to the menu, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Click on the menu and check the drop down to see vector. Yeah, you've seen vector here that's at the menu icon. See vector, you click on vector. Vector is just after arrange, just like you can see on the screen. It's just after arrange. You click on it, then you move to the smart drop down that has been displayed just by the side. You see join selection, smooth join selection, delete and use selection. So you choose anyone that you want. If you want to join selection, you click on it. If you want to whatever you want to do, basically you click on it. So this is simply how to create vector designs in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.